So how you can open HEIC file on Windows. Now opening up an HEIC file on Windows is not directly possible. Probably you are facing the error of unsupported format or anything like that. So what you need to do is to simply open up your Microsoft Store or any browser that you are using and make sure to download Microsoft Store. Then you just need to search for HEIC converter and go for this one. You can simply click on the get and install it. It's a hassle-free process. So as you can see, it can convert HEIC to JPEG and JPG and PNG at the same time. If you don't want to download, you can simply open up any browser that you are using and simply search for HEIC converter. Once you search for this, you can go with any one of these websites. You can simply upload your HEIC format file and then it will gonna convert it without any kind of problem. So that's the way of how you can view HEIC file in Windows.